Hi, I'm Sean Jones, General Manager here at Mitchell Toyota in San Angelo, Texas. Thanks for taking a moment to review this brief video.
We are pleased to show you the 2012 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sunroof, alloy wheels, heated side mirrors, power mirrors, traction control, dual zone climate control, security system, low tire pressure warning, power windows, telescopic steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.